Nick, tell me a little bit about this VMX60 that we have behind you.
All right, basically it's a big beast. Ideal for big plate work. It's got a 12k spindle with like some sort of quite good low-end torque as well.
I mean, is this all about power, size, and heavier parts, industrial components?
Yeah, essentially Hurco do a range of machines in the VMX range, and they vary in size. This one has got a 1.5 metre travel in the x-axis, so it just gives you greater capacity.
What about your Y here? Do you have a big Y as well?
660.
Okay, and there's quite a big Z, so you've got good clearance there as well.
Yeah, the clearance is ideal, especially so you've got a sort of 660 clearance in there. So if you want to put a fourth axis on there, you've got plenty of clearance, so you can virtually change it to a fourth axis machine.
Talk me through some of the things that come as standard here, maybe the tool changer, the actual spindle nose. I notice it's a big plus, but does that mean you have to have big plus tooling? Talk to me about that area.
No big plus tooling, you don't. You can have it dedicated to whatever you want, basically. So you can have 50 taper, you can have 40 taper tooling. The tool changer is 30 tool changes, but again, you've got the option to increase that to 40.
And then things like through spindle coolant and swarf extraction, are they standard features or are there options around these?
The swarf extraction, the conveyor that you see, that will come as standard with the VMX range. With regards the through spindle coolant, that is an option.
And we talk about the hardware, which is important, but your software as well, it's a big selling point for Hurco. Talk to me briefly about how easy this control is to use.
It's very user friendly. Basically, you tell it just asks you a series of questions and you just answer those questions. So the advantage is you can mix and match, so you can get NC programs, you can actually merge your NC programs into your conversational programs, but the main selling point is the conversational side of the programming.
Who would be buying these machines of this size from you, Nick?
Well, basically people that got sort of like repeat components, large plate work, etc., things like that.
Summarise this machine, Nick.
Very large, heavy duty, very affordable machine.